This video talks about how to use EMPro components in the ADS layout window. It is based on the assumption that you have already imported an EMPro library in ADS. Open the component library window and access the EMPro library. Select the footprint component and click OK. Select the PC2 layer in the Component Properties dialog box. Place EMPro components in the layout window. You can rotate and position the components in your ADS design. Insert pins at the required location in your layout design. Open the EM setup window and select ports. Assign pins to EMPro ports and save your changes. Click the 3D EM preview icon. You can now preview the layout in 3D and simulate your design.